Love falafel, hate the frying and the endless mess? This version fixes both. We're getting that falafel flavor without shaping, frying, or standing over hot oil. And the onions and garlic belt the base fast so the chickpeas don't taste plain. The seasonings and fresh herbs bring that classic proper taste right into the skillet. Mash some and leave some whole for best texture and crispy edges instead of mush. Here's a shortcut. A little panko helps create crispy edges without frying. Press it down for that golden crispy crust without frying. Let it sit untouched 60 to 90 seconds. You don't need a lot of hot oil to get that satisfying bite and with crunch. You just need contact with the pan and a little patience before stirring. Cherry tomatoes add sweetness and moisture, so this doesn't taste like a dry leftover falafels. And the spinach makes it softer, lighter, and more dinner friendly. Satisfying but not heavy. Now, lemon juice and fresh herbs wakes everything up. This is what gives it that bright Mediterranean finish. And instead of any kind of heavy sauce, a drizzle of this lemon yogurt sauce keeps it creamy, tangy, and fresh. I have the recipe for this and the seasoning down below the description. Would you eat this straight from the skillet, or lettuce, or stuffed in pita? Let me know below. If this helped you to make a healthier Mediterranean meals with less work, please give it a like and subscribe. And watch my other one-pan videos on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.